Hello everyone, welcome to the next class of concepts of cost. So today we are going to start its theoretical part. So concepts of cost can further be classified into three parts. One is total cost, one is average cost, one is marginal cost. Total cost can further be classified into two parts. One is TFC, one is PVC. And average cost is also classified into two parts. One is AFC and one is ABC. So today we are going to start with these headings one by one. First of all, first heading is PFC, that is total fixed cost. Total fixed cost means the cost which remains fixed throughout the level of output. The cost which remains fixed throughout the level of output, it can be termed as output. TFC. Output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Values were 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. The cost which remains fixed throughout the level of output is termed as total fixed cost. I am writing down TFC here. I am writing down output here. It means when output is 0, cost is 10, output is 1, cost is 10. So, two observations from this heading is, first is TFC is horizontal or parallel to x-axis. Second, TFC remains fixed throughout the level of output. TFC remains fixed throughout the level of output. And the important thing to consider is TFC remains fixed even at 0 level of output. Now we are starting with the next heading, that is PVC. It can be termed as total variable cost. The cost that changes with the change in the level of output. I am writing down again, I am repeating again, the cost that changes with the change in the level of output, that is termed as total variable cost. This cost remains 0 at 0 level of output. At first level of output it was 10, next 18, next 24, next 28, next 36, next 44. It means that the cost that changes with the change in the level of output, that is termed as variable cost. It means that cost increases with the increase in the level of output. So its diagram can be like this: x-axis, point of origin, y-axis, TVC, output. The curve makes a shape of inverted S. So I am writing down the observations. It makes inverted S shape. Cost increases with increase in level of output. And the important point to consider is originates from point of origin. Originates from point of origin. So we are starting with the next heading, that is total cost. It can be calculated as TFC plus TVC. I am writing down output TFC TVC. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 0, 10, 18, 24, 28, 36. So total cost is 10, 20, 28, 34, 38, 46. X-axis, point of origin, y-axis, TFC, TVC, DC. Output. This is total fixed cost, that is horizontal parallel to x-axis. This is TVC, that changes with the change in the level of output. This is PC, that is total cost. Now a few things to consider is, at 0 level of output, TC equals to TFC because TVC equals to 0. Now the next point to consider is TVC and TC are parallel to each other because of TFC. That is, the gap between TVC and TC always remains same. This was the point. First heading is TFC, next is TVC, next is total cost. This was the relationship between TFC, TVC and TC. And now we are starting with the next heading, that is average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost. So first of all, we are starting with the heading, that is average fixed cost. So it can be termed as, it is per unit fixed cost of producing a commodity. It is the per unit fixed cost of producing a commodity. Output was like this, TFC was given, we need to find out AFC, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. First value infinite, 10, 5, 3.33, 2.5 and 2. These were the values we have already discussed about the TFC. Now what we need to find out, that is AFC, average fixed cost. The cost that is calculated as per unit fixed cost. It can be calculated as TFC upon Q. So the thing to consider is the cost which reduces with the increase in the level of output. The cost which reduces with the increase in the level of output. And it makes the shape of rectangular hyperbola. It makes the shape of rectangular hyperbola. This is average fixed cost. Next thing is AFC neither touches x-axis nor touches y-axis. It means that AFC never equals to 0. This is average fixed cost. It is per unit fixed cost of producing a commodity. So now we are starting with the next heading, that is average variable cost. It is the per unit variable cost of producing a commodity. It is the per unit variable cost of producing a commodity. It can be calculated as like this, ABC equals to TVC upon Q dash 10, 9, 8, 7, 7.2, 7.3. So its diagram can be like this, x-axis point of origin, y-axis, I am writing down ABC, average variable cost. It can be calculated as TVC upon Q and its diagram is deep U shape. I am writing down ABC is deep U shape. Why it is deep U shape? Because at initial level ABC is falling and after that starts rising. And after that starts rising. Now, next heading we are starting, that is average cost. It is the per unit cost of producing a commodity. It is the per unit cost of producing a commodity. It can be calculated as AFC plus ABC. It is the per unit cost of producing a commodity and it can be calculated as AFC plus ABC and it was U shape. And it was U shape. So the next question is, why AC curve is U shape? Why AC curve is U shape? So in the initial level, AFC and ABC both are falling. So AC is also falling. After a certain level, AFC is still falling, but ABC starts rising. But rise in ABC is greater than fall in AFC. So ultimately AC starts rising. This means AC first falling, then starts rising because of such behavior as AC is summation of AFC and ABC. So the AC curve is termed as U shape. Last heading, that is marginal cost. It is the additional cost of producing a commodity. Last heading is marginal cost. It is the additional cost of producing a commodity. It can be calculated as TVCN minus TVCN minus 1. It is the additional cost of producing a commodity. It can be calculated as TVCN minus TVCN minus 1. It is also U shape. So what we have discussed today, first of all TFC, next ABC, next AFC, next ABC, next AC, and next last topic is MC. This is the chapter, that is concepts of cost. Remaining we will continue in the next video.